How to add OneDrive in File Explorer in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to search for OneDrive app on your PC and click on OneDrive, and it's saying you have to sign in or create account. So I'll just click on sign in. You can create an account if you want to, or if you don't have a OneDrive account till now, and I'll just provide my password and it will log me in. So as you can see, we have successfully logged into the OneDrive. So after that, we click on next, and then the backup folders on this PC. So you have to just select the folders you want to backup. So let me be this one only. And after that, we can click on start backup, and we have to click on not now, then next, share files and folder, and click on next, and we'll have the mobile app later, and you can just open my OneDrive folder. So as you can see, the OneDrive folder is now successfully added to your file explorer. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.